Hey family, it's Renee and this is the Mom's Way. You guys can see I'm still at work. It's been a long day, your girl is tired, but I got all of my Ulta haul in and I got like 2 things from Sephora. Well, one is a perk. So I'm gonna go head home, change my clothes really quick, and then we're going to chat about the few items that I picked up. Mostly hair care, but I got stuff for my husband. Like everything is not always like in this box where you can't shop, you can't have fun, you can't eat out, you can't do that. Like this channel is not about that. This channel is about having your best possible life, about living life to its fullness. So I really just want to show you guys that, yeah, I'm crazy about budgeting and sinking funds and, you know, all of that, but your girl love a good Ulta 20% discount. So give me a second, let me get home, and then I will be right back so we can look at these goodies. We're home. I gave y'all a little pizzazz, just a little tiny bit of pizzazz. Let me fix my light. This is really relaxed, guys. So all right, fam, so the first thing I got is from Sephora. So I will, maybe if I can find the video, baby girl got into all of my makeup. She loves Fenty, clearly. She got into the gloss bombs. She got into the concealer, like all the things. So I just have them here and you'll see them in my empty, so stay tuned for that. But I had to get a new Fenty concealer, so I got $3.90 because my favorite foundation right now is the foundation in 420. So that's what it looks like. So I got that, and then as a 100-point perk, man, I had a lot of points, but I just, only thing I saw that was actually appealing was this. This is the Lemonade Soothing Scrub by Ola. It say Olay, okay? Ola Henriksen. I really wanted to try this out, so I went ahead and grabbed one of these before I like make the plunge, especially since I'll be like paying in cash this season for anything I get during the sale. I definitely want to make sure it's like things I really want and or need or love or whatnot. Let's smell it. It smells like lemons. All right, let's get into Ulta. So the first thing I got is the Way Chill Pill. These are huge, okay? They're wrapped so I can touch them. But these are huge pills that you essentially put into your bathtub. Now, this does have hemp seed or whatever in it, so I can't use this because I'm just scared of the hemp. Because the way my job is set up, I won't do anything like that because I just want to make sure that I'm good, you know. But my husband does have chronic back pain and he takes a lot of baths, so I always get him Epsom salt and, you know, things to soothe his back. So I got these for him because even when we do like a couples massage, he'll add the CBD and stuff, but I don't typically let him have it at home. But I've been eyeballing that and I want to get it for him because if it actually works, then he'll just have to clean the bathtub after. So the next thing, I've been eyeballing this forever. This is the Super Tea Cleanse and Detox Kit from Teami. So I do have the Teami Cleanse, I want to say the clothing cleanse already. And I love it. It's a really good detox. It is. Now you have to read the directions. You can't let it steep too long or you're going to be crying the next day, but I actually really do love it, so I wanted to try this. So they have the morning kickstart. It's the daily super tea, and I've been drinking tea like in the afternoons and evening. I'll drink 1 cup of coffee and then I'll just finish with tea throughout the day. And then it has the colon cleanse. So this was a little bit pricey, but I did have a 20% off coupon that Ulta just always gives, so I went ahead and got that. Oh, it's open. It's just a little, and it's like cut. It's just weird. Did someone touch this? I don't know. This might have to go back. Look at that. It's just super weird. But I love the Real Technique sponges. Oh, it's kind of cut in the front too. What is wrong with this? Anyway. Real Technique sponges, love these. I've been using the Soya Cashew one for a while, but these are actually my favorite sponges. So I re-upped on my bio oil. I absolutely love this oil. I've been using it for a few years. Whenever I run out, I just have to get another one. It smells amazing. It makes my skin feel great. My skin loves it. It eats it up. And I think it helps with scars, stretch marks, uneven skin tone, anti-aging, and dehydrated skin. Love this stuff. And the smell is just very, I don't know. It smells like Avon. I ain't gonna lie. When I smell this, I think of Avon. So I got another one of those, and this is the bigger one. And then I got a Lms Superfoods Jelly Exfoliator. So I don't know. I've been eyeballing this for a little bit. I think this is one of the newer products from Lms. I'll let you guys know how that goes. So I have a few beard products for my husband, and then everything else is hair products. So this is a re-up for him. It is the Jack Black Beard Wash with Aloe and Panthenol, something like that. But I typically like to get stuff for his beard. Of course, he can just use shampoo and conditioner or whatever, but I do like to get beard-specific things for him, just so he feels good. This is for you and you alone. Stop using my stuff. But I got him that. I'm not gonna open it. And then these are new for him. I've got him a couple beard texture conditioner type of things. We're just trying to figure out what he likes best. Some of them are just way too thick, or just really kind of sits in the skin and doesn't moisturize. Like, he needs the same effects for his beard that we have for our hair. So this kind of caught my eye, the STMNT statement. I think it's statement. It says statement underneath. Grooming good. So this is a beard oil. He doesn't like those ones that smell like cedar wood and grass. Now, he wants his stuff to smell good, which this actually really does. It smells good. So beard oil, and then this is the same statement brand, and this is an all-in-one cleanser. So let me see how this smells. It smells good. So I will let you guys know if you have a bae. And I think on Instagram I'm gonna do like gifts for men or whatever. We're pretty much, y'all, I just gave him a coat from Express yesterday, and then I got him these things. So Valentine's Day just came a little bit early in our home. When I see a good deal or something, I just go ahead and get it. That's just kind of how I operate. But I think I'm going to do something on Instagram to show like different things you can get for your guy for Valentine's Day. Everything else that I have is hair products. We have every texture in our house. So Dylan is 4C for sure. Tay is 3C. Andre is probably, his hair is probably more like mine. So I'm about 3B, and Andre is about 3B as well. So it doesn't, you guys can't tell, but when my hair grows, it's super coily and just, yeah. I'll find some pictures. I might put them on here. I have to typically get an array of products, something that's going to work for all of our hair types, because what works in one hair type might not work in other hair type, and we have, you know, a couple different types of hair in our home. First thing I got is the Maui Moisture Hair Care Heal and Hydrate Shea Butter Conditioner for dry hair. Maui Moisture sounds good. When I was couponing heavy, I would get this all the time. This stuff smells good and works, and it's affordable. I think this is maybe $8.99, so great. This thing is huge, okay? This is like the size of my head. So this is the Curlsmith Curl Quenching Conditioning Wash. Now, I used this the other day, and I was like, okay. So I've kind of like dabbled into Curlsmith, but I really like this. And I kind of thought I was, because I bought the huge one. But you really can't go bad with a cleanser, right? Cleanser doesn't have to be spectacular. The stuff that you put on after the cleanser kind of needs to be. Speaking of Curlsmith, I got the Weightless Air Dry Cream. So I haven't tried this yet, but it's just kind of hopefully a thin, it smells so good. Like a thin leave-in conditioner. So I do air dry my hair, like it's like that long, but if I decide to grow it out, I still air dry it. So I want something that's really thin yet moisturizing, that's gonna help me during the air dry process. I rarely put heat on my hair, not even to just diffuse it. This is an OG, the Design Essentials Almond Avocado Leave-In Conditioner. You guys can see we do the lock method. It is a leave-in oil and a cream. Love it, live by it. And honestly, my leave-in conditioners are like what I actually will pay for, because I know that those are the products that's actually helping to maintain my hair throughout the day. So I love this. I actually noticed when this was gone and was like, I need more. Another leave-in conditioner that I have and love is this. This is the Carol's Daughter Goddess Strength Divine Strength leave-in conditioner. Y'all, this smells so good. It does. It does. It smells like deliciousness, okay? So if you haven't tried Carol's Daughter, bless you. If you haven't tried Carol's Daughter before, it's a little bit pricey, but it's definitely worth it. So maybe try one product and then try another one, then try another one, see if you like it. That, man, all leave-in conditioners. TGIN, another one of my absolute favorite hair care brands for curly hair. So this is the Miracle Repair RX leave-in conditioner. And the reason I have so many is because I'll put this stuff in my room and my kids will just come and take it. So I might end up having 4 different leave-ins, but then I have 3, and then I have 2, and then I have 1. So we go through it quickly, but we also, like my son, the 18-year-old, will take stuff in his room and that'll just be his. So I have to buy a variety, and I have to buy things that I love, all the things that I love, because if one disappears into the kids' room, I gotta have other things I'm gonna love, you know. So I tried this the other day and I really did enjoy this. This is the Not Your Mother's Natural, which is my first time actually using this brand. The Tahitian Gardenia Flower and Mango Butter. It is a curl defining combing cream. So I did enjoy this, and like my hair does have like a little curl to it or whatever. I'm trying to grow it a little bit, not let it like cut it so low. And I did like this. And then I have Design Essentials Almond Avocado Curling Cream, which I love this stuff. And I put this in Tay-Tay's hair. Her hair eats this stuff up. So I will make sure her hair is moisturized and hydrated and happy before I braid it up. Last thing I have is the Blueberry Bliss mousse, and I just love a good mousse. It didn't really have to be this one. I think this one just popped up, but for her braids I do individuals in her hair. What is it called now? Knotless braids. We call them individuals back in the day. So I do that in her hair often, and sometimes she wakes up and they're like smushed because of how she slept. And mousse will rehydrate, and then once my hair gets a little curl, mousse actually like makes my curls act right. So that is all the things that I got from ULTA. It's a good amount, but then again, this might be my last haul, my only haul this year, not sure. And then I had a lot of points, so also with their point system, you actually get cash off. So I got a decent amount. I had like 1,200 points or something crazy like that. So I got a lot of money off just on points. So I really prefer ULTA's point system. But I want to go ahead and let you guys go. Thank you so much. I am Renee J, and I will see you in the next video and a vlog. Bye.